Welcome to Gear Shift Reviews. Today we're diving into the world of high-performance motocross with an exciting machine, the new 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050. Built for riders who demand raw power, razor-sharp handling, and race-ready technology, the RM-Z 1050 represents Suzuki's bold step into a new era of off-road dominance. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a serious contender on the track. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 features an aggressive, race-inspired design that instantly signals its performance intent. Sharper bodywork, slimmer shrouds, and a redesigned seat profile improve rider movement and control. The iconic Suzuki yellow returns with updated graphics, giving the bike a modern and intimidating presence. Lightweight materials and refined ergonomics ensure the RM-Z 1050 looks fast and feels even faster. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the RM-Z 1050 is a powerful 1050cc single-cylinder engine engineered for explosive throttle response and strong mid to top-end power. Advanced fuel injection and updated engine mapping deliver consistent performance across varying track conditions. A revised chassis and upgraded suspension setup provide better stability, improved cornering precision, and increased confidence over jumps and rough terrain. Safety and technology. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 is equipped with advanced rider-focused technology, including selectable traction control modes and launch assist for optimized starts. Improved braking components offer stronger stopping power and better modulation, while updated electronics help riders push harder with greater control. Every system is designed to enhance performance without distracting from the riding experience. Conclusion. The new 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is a bold, high-performance motocross machine built for riders who want to lead, not follow. With its aggressive design, powerful engine, and track-ready technology, it's ready to dominate the dirt. Stay tuned to Gear Shift Reviews for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the machines that fuel your passion.